negative 4, and positive 1. Solutions and roots are just the same. Okay, so let's have the sum of the roots. We have negative 4 plus 1. So the answer is different signs, subtract. The answer is 4 minus 1, 3. Copy the sign of the higher number. And then for the product, we have negative 4 times positive 1 is equal to different signs. Negative 4 times 1 is 4. So we have the sum of the roots, negative 3, and the product of the roots, negative 4. So we have our sum is negative 3. The denominator of a whole number is 1. And for the product, we have negative 4 over the whole number again is 1. Now we have the value of our C is negative 4. And for our B, we have, okay, the negation is there. So this will be positive 3. And for the value of A is the denominator of the fractions. So 1. Now we have A is 1, B is 3, and C is negative 4. The numerical coefficients of our quadratic equation from the given roots, applying the sum and difference of the roots. Okay, let's find the sum and the product. We have the sum of these two. We have negative 3 plus 1/2. Okay, we rewrite this. First, the negative 2 over 2, because 2 over 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Why the denominator is 2? Because the other fraction has a denominator of 2. So plus 1/2. Now we have the fractions and fractions. 2 plus, or since they have different signs, so we subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2. Copy the whole number, negative 2. So negative 2 times 2, 4 times 1 is equal to 5 over 2. Don't forget the sign. So this is our sum of the roots. And we have for the product of the roots, we have negative 3 times 1/2. Numerator times numerator. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Denominator, that's indivisible 1, so that's 2. So our product of the roots is negative 3/2. Again, remember the formula for sum of the roots, we have negative B over A. And for the product of the roots, we have C over A. Now we take this sum of the roots. So our sum is, or our B is negative 5 over 2. And for product, we have this. We have negative 3 over 2. Okay, so again, remember, we have a negation there. So our B is positive 5. Our C is negative 3, while the value of A is equal to 2. That's it. For our next given, we have to find the sum of these two. We have 2 plus the square root of 3 and 2 minus the square root of 3. So if we add, opposite signs will give us 0. So instead of writing, we just cancel. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So our sum is 4. For our product of the roots, we have 2 plus square root of 3 and 2 minus the square root of 3. As you see, they are exactly the same first term and same second term, but they have different signs it means this is a square sum and difference of binomial. So we just apply the special product. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 times 3 is 9, the square root of 9. So we continue. What's the square root of 9? So that would be 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So our product is 1 and the sum is 4. Now, applying the formula for sum, we have negative b over a, and for the product is equal to c over a. Now, okay, so we have this. Our b is negative. This is negative 4 because when we multiply negative and negative 4 is equal to positive 4 over 1, and c is 1 over 1. Now we can say that our b is negative 4, c is 1, and the value of the numerical coefficient for a is 1.